Guys, this is Sean from Ynigos Toy Channel, and today I'm going to unbox and review the TOMICA G-class wagon. I bought this for around 220 pesos. That's about $4 US. So here's the box. It's made in Vietnam. Ooh. Wow, looks really nice. And by the way, this is my first TOMICA diecast. It's a 1/62 scale. It has a plastic base and a metal body. I've noticed that the wheel isn't the same as the picture. See? And here's the wheel in the picture. It's different. The door opens. Really nice. I've noticed the TOMICAS have awesome outlines in their cars. See here? It's better than some Hot Wheels. That's just my opinion. I was looking for the majorette version, but I couldn't find one here in my place, so I settled for this one. The majorette, as I've seen in Drifter D's channel, the reserve wheel turns. This one doesn't. TOMICAS have excellent tempos. See? Wow. So they even painted the steering wheel silver and the dashboard silver. Suspensions are also there. Great. Yeah. I really like this metallic silver painting. Does the G-class wagon have another color variant? If you know, please reply, and maybe I can find one in the future. I was really hoping to get the majorette, but I couldn't find one here. They're only selling the glow-in-the-dark majorettes here, the Subaru and the Mercedes. Looks really nice, so I know I'll be getting more TOMICAS. I really like their details, the details in their car. Wow, look, excellent details on the grille. I just wish that they placed a plastic headlight here, so that it will be more realistic. Plastic and transparent headlights. Ooh, I noticed that there are no side mirrors. Wow. What car doesn't have a side mirror? So that's it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos soon. So thank you. Bye.